Welcome back, guys. So in this video we will discuss about career opportunities. So if you're doing courses like BSc.IT B.A BCA or B.Tech, okay, any IT courses or any non-IT courses, so if you are a part of it and you want to a job in IT companies, although you are non-technical background from, so you can get a job very easily, but you have to focus in so many points, which I'm going to share here. Okay, so first of all, I would like to share that if you are from technical background or if you have a non-technical background, this video will going to help you a lot. Okay, in IT companies to get a job, there are some points you have to focus from the starting of your career. Okay, although if you finished your career, you can uh, focus on these points as well. So I'm going to share these points. Like if you want a job in IT company as a developer, so there are lots of type of developer. Okay, so like 5 or 6 kinds of developers are there. So they are actually separated from different like database developer and front end back end developer. So I'm going to share this data as well. So first of all, as a student, on what topic you have to focus in your curriculum, that those are as per the data, we can say. So yeah, data structure, the very important point is data structure. So ds, as a developer, so many questions are asked from data structure as only. So as an interviewer, I also ask data question from data structure as well. But there are major questions are there which are the part of data structure. So data structure must be stronger. Okay, so data structure is carrying like a stack, queue, graph, and tree. These are the basic parts. And queue, dequeue, stack, push, pop, these are the basic operation data structure provided. So as a developer, data structure is very much important for you, and it's must to read. Okay, so please focus and make notes on data structure. It will help you to get a job very easily. Another thing is logical aspects. You must have a clear vision, a logical skill. So you must think logically. As a backend developer, your logical aspects must be stronger, right? So when you think as a backend developer, you have to think so many aspects, and you have to be a futuristics. So yeah, logical aspects must be stronger. Okay, another thing is basic programming. If you are a beginner or if you are just joining the courses of BSc or graduation, uh, so you must focus on programming, basic programming, because whatever we are doing in our college and and projects and our assignments, those are help, will be help you in future actually. Suppose that what I have done in my curriculum in during graduation, those are very effective actually. Those are helping me now these days. Okay, although I have 3.5 year plus experience. So but today I can understand those basic details, those basic programming knowledge are were very important actually. So yeah, I would like to thank my college to teach me those skills actually, those basic programming skills. So basic programming skills like palindrome number, Armstrong number, prime number, those are the basic small programs that in our assignment, those are the very common question provided by the university. So yeah, those question only, and some factorials and simple entrance, those are the also question. Okay, so lots of questions are there. To combine them, that will make your programming skills sharper. Okay, so as much you can do those program on self, that will help you in future as well. So yeah, create your own logic while solving those programs. So that will make helps you a lot in future. So yeah, another point is create your own project. So in final year or when you start to cover up your curriculum during these days, you can start your own project. Okay, so that will help you a lot, because when you create your own project, so real time experience will feel. Okay, and how things are working you can get very easily, and you can get to know how to debug the code, how to write code. So yeah, uh, it's very important to create a project, like a mini project and a big project on self. Okay, so yeah, that's another point. And while creating a project, you can get a job oriented skill as well. So or you can do the vice versa. You can get a job oriented skill first, then you can use that skill to create your own project. So job oriented skills are there like Node.js, PHP, Java, Python, Oracle, SQL, MongoDB, and JavaScript. So these are the job oriented language actually skills. So if you know these programming languages, so that can help you a lot to get job very easily. So another last but not least, your communication skills in English language should be very sharper. Or if you don't know English, no, or if you are not fluent in English, that doesn't matter in India, but it would be better if you can speak or you can communicate with client or your teammates or employees or other employees. So it would be better to have a good communication skills in English. So that will help you a lot to grow up in your career, right? So these are the few important things or you can say these are the suggestions you should always focus or you should follow, because in IT industry these are the very important and these are the very common things. Okay, so I hope as a newcomer you will follow these steps, and if talking about jobs opportunities, I'll share the another slide here. Let's see. So as a IT company, sorry, as a developer, if you're working as in an IT company, so there are some position like if you these are the technology you can choose. These are the position or designation you can choose to work with. So what are those? You can be a these are all are actually development field. Okay, development field. Okay, and some of the sections are divided into separate according to the technology. So first develop in the very first we can see front end development. Dev is development. Okay, the front end development or developers are those who design the UIs. Okay, and backend developers are always working with the logics or backend things. Okay, how things works in backend. Database are store the data, and DevOps. These are the cloud computing, and these are very emerging technologies right now, and lots of job opportunities are creating due to this DevOps. Okay, and mobile app development is also there. So in mobile app development, React Native and Java is also there. So we will discuss it very in deep. Okay, so if you want to be a front-end developer, back-end developer, database developer, DevOps developer, or mobile app developer, so if you want to choose a career between them, so you have to know, you should know these respective technologies I'm going to share here. So yeah, so first of all we are going for front-end developer. Let's discuss about front-end developer. Okay, so if you choose front-end development line, so what you have to learn: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Angular, React.js, and Vue.js. You can note this down as well. So these are the technology. As a front-end developer, you can choose this technology and you can work with it. So HTML, CSS are used to design the UI, and UI means the design part. Yeah, this is a design, right? This is the UI. So you can use HTML, CSS to design this UI. But the thing is, HTML, CSS, those are not progressive, or and growths are not there. So if you want to grow up in by using HTML, CSS, so there is very less opportunity, less chance to grow with HTML, CSS. If you know JavaScript, which is very must now now these days, because JavaScript is everywhere. Most lovable language now these days is JavaScript. So you should go for JavaScript. And JavaScript, if you know JavaScript, now you can cover lots of things like Angular, React, okay, and Vue.js also. In backend technology, Node.js is also work JavaScript, .NET is also work JavaScript. So yeah, these are the benefits of JavaScript. So from your starting career, you should just focus on JavaScript, so that you can work with JavaScript technologies. And you can JavaScript is not that much tough, and it's very easy to learn. If you know JavaScript, you can work with Angular, React, Vue, and Node.js as well, which is a backend technology. So yeah, front-end technologies are those, you don't have to think logically. You have to show only your creativity. Okay, so but in JavaScript is a huge. JavaScript is like a seed. Okay, you can deep down and down there. So if you know JavaScript, you can get a job very easily. So yeah, as a front-end developer, you can go for JavaScript, Angular, React.js, Vue.js. Not all this, you can choose only one technologies from this. Okay, Angular, React, and Vue. So these are the front-end technology. So if you want to be a front-end developer, or you don't want to work with the logical things, you don't want to think so much, and you are poor in logical kind of things, so you can choose front-end development. Okay, second thing is backend developer. Actually, I'm a backend developer, so I'm very interested in this topic. So here we can see this is a mean stack. Okay, sign of mean, MEAN, and this is Java. This is .NET. Python is also there, I think. So if you want to learn backend technology now, so you must have good logical aspects. You must think logically. Okay, so how data flow from one client side to server side. I think you don't know about client side to server side. So how data flow from one point to another point. These all things are depends on logic, and how data comes, what format, what kind of format, and we have to parse them. So all these things managed by backend developer. Okay, So yeah, in future I'm going to share I'll differentiate front end and back end developer, and what is the I'll share the difference between back end and front end development technologies. So in my next video I'll do that. So first in secondly we are discussing about back end development, right? So for that, Node.js is comes very fast. Okay, now these days Node.js is very popular because it's totally depends on JavaScript, and if you know JavaScript you can work with Node.js very easily, and I'm a Node.js developer. So yeah, Node.js is very easy, and with time you get expertise in things, and you enjoy your development career. So yeah, .NET is also there. .NET, PHP, Java, Python, and C++. These are the backend technology. You have to work with logical things. Okay, so yeah, this is the backend technology, and you can, if you are a very beginner in your curriculum, so you can start with PHP. That's very easy technology to learn. Okay, Python is also easy, and Java is quite tough, and to get a job in Java is also tough. Node.js is very easy. Node.js.NET developers also get very easier job. Okay, so to get a job in Node.js, .NET, and PHP is very easy, but PHP is slightly older now, so go for .NET or Node.js or Python or Java. These are the technology you can work with as a backend developer. Okay, another thing is that database. A complete different development field is database technology. So you can work with MongoDB, MySQL. So Oracle and SQL almost same. Okay, these are the relational database. So in database development, it's a very different career. It's a separate from backend and front end development. These tools are different, and these database developers are different. Actually, it's separate. It has separate place. Okay, so you can work with SQL, Oracle, and MongoDB. So Oracle is a company, so you can place there as well. So you have to be expertise in database. So database, what basic operations are there, like we have to create a schema, create table, update data. So these are the works these are the queries we can do with database, right? But database developer has a very major role in backend. So yeah, in companies, in maximum big companies, MNCs, they have different database developer never work back-end task and front-end task. They only work only with database only. Okay, they only manage the database. Okay, so a database developer dedicated to database works only, not other works. Okay, another, but which is another very important topic, is DevOps is also called cloud computing. So now these days AWS, Amazon Web Services, Git, and other technologies are there. So in cloud computing, which is also called DevOps, Microsoft Azure, Oracle Cloud. Okay, these are the cloud computing. AWS, Amazon Web Services, and Google Cloud are also there. So one of my friend is there, Varun. He is working as a Microsoft. Yeah, he is working as a cloud computing or DevOps developer. So he works only Microsoft Azure. So yeah, these are the technology. You can also choose your career as cloud computing. For that, you have to know skills like Microsoft Azure, Oracle Cloud, or Amazon Web Services you can learn, on Google Cloud also you can learn. So for that, there are some courses available. You can join those courses, or YouTube video you can also follow, right? Rather than this, another thing, yeah, another development is also there. Like you can be another developer, like mobile app developer. So yes, me too. So if you want to be a mobile app developer, or you want to develop mobile application for Windows and iOS system, so you can do these courses. Like, yeah, Flutter is also there. I have to add FLUTTER. Okay, so if you want to be a mobile app developer, okay, so you can do these courses like React Native is totally based on JavaScript. Okay, for your kind information, React Native is also based on completely JavaScript. If you know JavaScript and React.js, you can do Node.js, React Native very easily. So yeah, so if you want to be a React Native developer, you can go for React.js first, or React.js. If you know React.js and JavaScript, you can learn React Native very easily. So React Native is used to develop Android application and iOS application both. Okay, you can develop by writing one code, you can develop application which is support for Android and iOS both. So this is very popular now these days, React Native. You can, if you want to be Android mobile app developer, so you can go for React Native to develop Android and iOS app. Okay, another thing is that Java. For that, if you want to do app development, so you can learn core Java only. So core Java is used to develop the mobile application. So core Java you have to learn, and you can apply for that. Now this is React Native is used. Okay, and it's Another thing is Flutter is also there. So by using Flutter you can create your mobile application. Okay, so you can write down this, you can take this as a notes. Okay, and you can choose a career according to your skills or according to your interest. So it's up to you what kind of developer you want to be. So it's up to you what kind of developer you want to be. The purpose of making this video is I have met few students. They are very confused. They are doing their graduation, and they are confused that what to do in future to get a job. So the purpose of the purpose of my video is that they can find out what kind of technology they can choose in future, or what kind of developer they can be according to their interest. So these are the things. Okay, so I think this video will help you a lot. If you are from technical background or non-technical background, I hope you can understand this, and you can write this as a note so that it can help you in future. So after watching this video you can get idea what kind of developers are there in market. So what kind of option you have now to learn to think. So yeah, I hope this video will help you a lot. And yeah, I'm going to finish it up because I don't want to make this video lengthy. So yeah, these are the options you have, guys. So I hope this video will help you a lot. And yeah, thank you, guys. I'm going to finish it up. And yeah, still, if you have any doubt, you can comment in below section. Okay, so I'll try to no, I'll not try, I'll definitely respond you on your comment. So thank you, guys. I hope this video will help you a lot. And yeah, choose a better career which is according to you, or which is best for you. So right, all the best, guys. Thank you.